Hey, I got an iPhone 3G that was jailbroken and it turned off and now it won't turn back on. I pressed the home button, the power button, nothing works. I tried first click boot, won't even recognize it. When I put it into DFU mode, the computer recognizes and so does iTunes, like this. When I try to restore it, it tells me error 1601. It won't let me restore it. So what I tried is to do ireb, click my iPhone, but it'll only take me to waiting for ibss. And it just stays there for hours. If anybody knows how I can fix this problem, please comment, please.